The facts are that 85% of the money from the Inflation Reduction Act has gone to red states.
Right.
The facts are that Texas today is the largest renewable energy entity in America. And the facts are that there is an incredible amount of synergy between extraction of gas, or oil, gas mostly here now, and the potential of extraction from geothermal and these other possibilities. The same disciplines, the same workers can go to work in that. Look, solar plus now. Not just solar, solar plus, which means major shift in storage, the amount of storage. Europe is getting, Germany's at about 50% renewable. They're aiming to get to 80% renewable. This is going to happen. And it's just really, as I said earlier, a question of how fast. This transition could go a hell of a lot faster. Let me also emphasize, I am not saying that the private sector can do this literally all by itself. The permitting requires government. The subsidies, that's going to require parliaments and legislatures and so forth. There is a certain amount of policy that has to come into place through nations, putting that vision into a way to make it happen, to deploy it without prejudice of some of the things that are happening today.